topic is computer networks. Computer networks, there are different types of networks. One is LAN, MAN, WAN, CAN and SAN. And we learn about how data transfer one system to another system. In BTech we terminology was as computer name called post 1, post 2. How data transfer one system to another system internally, that's called OSI. OSI means
Open System
Interconnection. In interconnection, we cannot see the layers. The main layers are application layer, transport layer, physical layer. For example, this device transfer one hello world data. It's divided into what? H, E, L, O. When transferred from one system to another system, data is internally connected with binary language. And another one is frame. Frame means to secure the system. And in internet, internet means it connect internally data is known as internet. And another one is intradata. Intranet. Intranet means organize the system is known as intranet. Extranet. Extranet means, for example, phone way to bank networks. Please connect extranet. That's it. Thank you.